Video vlog check everybody, Azel here. We are here sa SM Sukat at na-invite muli ako to be their judge again for their Easter Sunday costume contest. So let's check it out, yo. Malamang mga 200 na bata itong i-judge na natin. Let's check it out, yo. Wala pang ano. Sa bako upo nito. Ayun, nakita ko si Charis. So here's a quick preview. Sino kaya mananalo mamaya? Ayun si Miss Charis, punta na natin. Grabe, sarap mag-mall ngayong araw na ito. Ang lamig dito sa SM Sukat. Grabe, parang ilang araw ako nasa bahay because of Holy Week. At we are back. Hanggang gabi na ako dito siguro. So here's the registration area ng mga bata, Easter Costume Contest. So may nakita ko mga naka-bunny na hat. Sige, okay lang yan.
Easter time, how it is, can you find Easter bunny? Bunny is so fun.
May gomcha.
Costume, ayan dito meron tayong ball pit. This is so fun. And later on, we'll have that. Kids, hop onto the T-Rack. So dito, ayan, makikita natin ang ating mga cutest and most creative kids to show off and fun costumes. Nakikita ko sobrang pinaghandaan ninyo ang inyong mga costumes. And they look really adorable. We're in for fun and festive celebration this afternoon as they showcase their cutest. Our participants, ang pwede pong sumali here ay aged 3 to 2, judged based on the following criteria for both solo and squad category. So, iisa lamang po ang ating criteria or set of criteria for both categories. We have SM gift certificate and our grand prize or our first prize will get 5,000 worth of SM gift certificates. Palakpakan naman natin ang SM! Thank you so much! And social media publisher, we have Azrael Coladilla, our first judge. Hi sir, thank you so much for bringing your presence here with us. Our second from Little Lions, we have Sophia Amber Adel Andres. Hi teacher, thank you so much for being here. And our third judge, we have a talent coach. Nako, pag kayo mga kids, sobrang talented. Kayo ba? Nako, kung ako yan, magiging talent na po. And pwede kayo ma-discover ni Ergon Bertos Parva. Ayan. Hello po. Thank you so much, ma'am.
tapos na yung aking judging ng mga Easter costume contest ng mga bata, 40 plus may mga group in costume din. Madali naman silang i-judge eh. So may pattern ako, pag may nagugustuhan ako, mataas yung scoring. Siyempre following the criteria, so kailangan in costume ka talaga. So kaka-take a break ko lang, balik ako, at yung mga kids are enjoying some freebies, photo op, tsaka ball pit na rin din, palaro sa kanilang lahat. Alright? Alright? Yeah! Next time.
That those two documents that we need for you to claim your prize, the double gift certificate. So again, the third prize will get 2,000 worth of SM gift certificates. Second prize, 3,000 worth of SM gift certificates. Winter Garena! You are our third prize! Where are you? Ayun naman!
Squad!
Kids na to! Squad category. Ayan. Si summer and winter.
Hello!
Who scored 80? Second prize goes to contestant number 11, Amanda Amira Ebuscado.
Sila.
Si Amanda and Amira, you are our second prize. Yung nakita ko pag kita ko on stage, napakabalayan, napakapahingin. Diba? First prize goes to her squad category. Contestant number 10, Therese. Princess. Ayaw deserve talaga ang first prize. Kasi sila yung contestant. Garnered 92.33. You are our third prize, contestant number 45, Joseph Daniel Santa Ana.
Yun!
Ang kinex niya, the way he flexed, nakita ko, ay kung paano niya kinex yung mask. Yung pagtanggal niya at pagsuot ng mask. Our second prize goes to contestant number 21, Rhea Cabre. Wow! Heels, makaka-walk siya on that heels. Amazing. Diba? Napaka-alam na kung paano magsuot. That garnered 94.5. None other than contestant number 33, Khalil Enrique.
Hoy! Siya pala.
Oh, the Mexican team. Ayan, oh, wow. Wow, congratulations. Ayan, Jarvis, thank you so much. Now! 6, 7, and 8 to 9, 10. Alright, nasan po sila? Kasi wow!
Yan, ang galing ng mga bata. Dito! Punta kayo dito.
Alright,
And that's the end of my pagka-judge sa mga Easter costume contest ng mga bata here sa SM Sukat. Thank you kay Miss Leia for inviting me again. Kailan bang next natin? Ano ba? Halloween na ba ang after nito? No? I guess so. Baka Halloween na. Or any other contest. Kahit nga yung mga pet contest nag-judge tayo. Nice to meet you din kay Coach Arya at kay Sophie. Mga very talented person to. Nakakasama ko mag-judge. At ayun, at hindi pa tapos yung event nag-ano sila, egg hunting adventure. Ayun. So end of my video here. At nagagala-gala na muna ako sa SM Sukat. Ayoko po munang umalis kasi napakainit sa labas. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog. adventure. Thank you so much, SM Sukat. Hello sa vlog. Sige.